Ejaki wamba na ndị nwoke na-abịago. Ụmụ Igbo niile na ndị nwoke na-abịago.
Cha 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 cha. Ụmụ Igbo kwenu. Cha 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 cha. Nigeria kwenu. Cha 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 cha. Africa kwenu. Ụwa niile kwezono. The Igbo Union of Baton Rouge is calling on all sons and daughters of Nigeria and Igbo Land and all lovers of culture and tradition in and around the greater Baton Rouge area, Lafayette, Shreveport, Lake Charles, Monroe, New Orleans, the Big Easy, and all across the United States of America to join us and share in the vibrant festivities of our inaugural Iri Ji New Yam Festival, holding at Imperial Events, Baton Rouge, Louisiana, on August 2nd, 2025. From the early times, the celebration of the New Yam has been a vital component of Igbo culture and tradition, long predating the arrival of Western colonial powers and surviving well into the modern age. The New Yam Festival is the event which marks the beginning of the harvest season for all Igbo people following a successful period of crop and grain cultivation. Come one, come all, join us for a colorful display of tradition, heritage, culture, and style with ample servings of traditional Igbo dishes like preparation of yam in various ways to include Jim Miracle, yam porridge, also wa abacha, ngwongwo, African salad, ngwobi, isiewu, among many other delicious delicacies. Enjoy vibrant live music along with rich displays of cultural dances, masquerades, Igbo arts and craft, fashion parade, and a host of many more fun family-friendly activities. For further details, please see the screen for more information. We hope you can join us in making this event a successful and joyous occasion. See you there. AMAKA, ya GAZIE.